Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to talk about an amazing family.
Yay! I love my family. Who's in your family, Mom?
Yes, so today let us see some amazing introduction about family. Can you read out this?
Let me introduce myself.
So, this is Drew Fig and he loves his family very much. So, let us see the family members. One is dad, sister, mom, and Drew himself. So, why is family amazing? Can you read out?
We care for each other. We always help each other. We love spending time together.
Amazing. Now, can you say some lines about Super Dad?
He works hard. He makes me laugh. He protects us always.
And what about your loving mom?
She cooks yummy food. She gives the best hugs. She helps me with my homework.
What about sister?
We play together. Sometimes we fight, but we love each other.
Nice. And what are some activities that you love doing with your family?
Going to the park, watching movies, eating together.
Wow, that sounds fun. So, families help us every day. They take care of us, teach us new things, and share happy moments.
I help my family by cleaning my toys and sharing with my sister.
That is wonderful helping. Every family member is important. And we have to remember special days together like birthdays, holidays. So, great job. Your family is amazing because how much you care for each other. Thanks for learning with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye
Bye bye.